Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your token on Monopoly Go. So it's pretty simple. At the top right corner you will see the 3 lines in Monopoly Go. Click on them. From there the third option which says My Showroom, click on it. So at the top it shows token. So right now I don't have multiple tokens, that's why I cannot switch between them. But let's say I wanted to choose one of my token. Let's say I wanted to choose this token called ship. I need to click on the ship token and it'll open up. And at the bottom it'll show you an option called equip. Now mine says equipped because I've already chosen it, but in your case it's going to show you equip. You want to click on equip. Once you click on equip, the token is going to get a tick mark. Once that token gets the tick mark, that means you are currently using that token. So since I don't have multiple tokens, I only have ship, I'm not able to switch between them. But if you have it, you can click on any one of them and click on equip and you will be equipping yourself with a token. So that is how you guys can change token on Monopoly Go. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Monopoly Go videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day, and if you have any question relating Monopoly Go, comment down below. I'll help you fix it.